Hello everybody, I'm going to use social media alone to try and market this Golf R32. It belongs to a good friend of mine. He saw me loads of cars back in the good old days. First car I bought off him was a silver R32 back in about 2006, possibly my first one. He's had a few since, but he's had this one for quite a long time, and he's the fifth owner, which in 22 years I don't think is too bad at all. He's had it serviced regularly by APS. This is the back page of the service book, which has got all their stamps, the last one being just like a few days ago. So all the other spaces in this book are full as well. Reflex silver, black leather, cruise control. Other than that, complete standard. Light coloured headliner, Michelin tyres, loads of tread, original dealer plates, no rust. Actually, tiny bit of rust around the tailgate pull. I think the worst bit on it is a bit of corrosion in the roof gutter here, which is pretty common. That's not too bad just yet. Bear in mind, this car's 22 years old, and I was seeing that when they were, just about a third of the age. Xenon headlights, they all work, and it's had like suspension stuff. It's had loads spent on it. There's a folder full of receipts going back to 2012, but service history obviously goes back to day one. Inside, it's got the original floor mats. The leather's, it's got a patina, but it's okay. Steering wheel's good. It's completely standard in here. Not been messed around with, never has. Even the seat pull doesn't come off in your hand. Back's all good. I don't think anyone's been in there. Wheel arches are all perfect, which is surprising, really. And again, this one. And this one, let's have a quick look in the boot first. So you don't get a spare wheel with these because you've got the four-wheel drive system, original carpets. Anything in here? It's not been fully valeted yet. It's just had a real quick vac. Nothing in there. Tyre foam, compressor, locking wheel bolt, data sticker still there. I couldn't verify that it's all original paint, but it does look good. And for silver, that's quite unusual. There's no reason to think it isn't, but it is too good, really. Let's enjoy the telescopic strut when I can actually open this. There we go. So there we have a 24 valve 3.2 narrow angle V6 manual. It's a UK car. As you can see, all original. Down here, stickers are on there still. Again, all the bolts good. It's got the under bonnet soundproofing pad. Shuts correctly. Now Rob has just lost his job, or just resigned from his job at Bicester Heritage, where he's been for ages. If you've seen me at the show, it's probably because Rob's got me a free ticket in the past. So I'm doing him a favour because he hasn't got a job right now, and selling this for him for no commission. We want 12 grand dead, no offers, and I think that's a pretty good price. If you allow for inflation, it's been pretty rampant over the last few years. I bet, even before COVID, that would have made this well under 10k. So I don't think you'll do better for the money. It's definitely all the same shade of silver all around, which is quite unusual. And when I drove it back from APS in Brackley, some guy gave me thumbs up on the M40. It does draw a lot of attention. This door's dropped a little bit, so it takes a good slam to shut. But if you look in here, you'll see all these quarter panel seem to look original. There's no hard edges in there. Sill covers are okay. Door cards are good. Brakes, right. These discs are really expensive and they're not lipped as well, so they're pretty much brand new. Still got a bit of silver inside there, but zero lip and loads of pad. Likewise at the back, they're even new. I think they're possibly brand new. So they've still got the geomet on the belt and there's silver in there, so I say they are brand new. Tyres are all Pilot Sport 4s, and blimey, Rob, all brand new. Yep. Okay. So 77,000 miles, 5 owners from new. Haven't checked the timing change yet, but I will do that. I know that's important. I can only do it when it's warmed up, which takes a bit of time. So the replacement windscreen, G-Technic protected at some point. It's also been dinitrile, which I think is some sort of rust proofing. So there we go. A Mark IV Golf R32, 77,000 miles, yours for just £12,000. It is a private sale between you and Rob. I'm just marketing it on his behalf, but I wouldn't get involved in this car if I didn't think it was a good buy. So if you're interested, get in touch with me by email, andrew@voxwizard.co.uk.